Hi guys, a quick video here about when trading goes wrong or where trading goes against you. There is a technique called stop and reverse. In other words, for all your best endeavours, you try and go either long or go short, and the trade just goes against you. Well, sometimes that just happens, and it's a fact of life. But there is a little technique here that if your trade is wrong and you get stopped out, you can immediately go in the opposite direction. We call that stop and reverse. So for instance, if you're going long, this example will show where we went long live and then we got stopped out and we immediately took the reverse side of the trade and not only got our money back that we lost, we made a little bit of money too. So I'll just start this video off. It's in fast forward and I'll talk you through it. So here we go. Market. We're going long on the FTSE. You can see we're long on the FTSE here, and we've got our stop just down here. If I can I just put a little highlighter there? I've got a little orange highlighter here, so you can see here the stop is just below that line. We've just been stopped out now, and what we're now doing is waiting for an extra pip to come down to bridge the gap, the difference between the sell and the buy. That's known as a spread. And then we've immediately gone short there, and we were risking 0.5% to the top, we're risking 1% to the bottom, and we're looking to come out round about here to give us our full, well, 1% actually in the bank. So you can see the market coming down, the market drop it on down a little bit more. You can see my mouse running around. We've moved stop to looking at moving stop to entry down to here. You can see the bar being moved. So we're completely risk-free now, and what we're doing is we've got stopped out, so we've now gone short and we've put stop to entry, and we're looking to get all our money back into this resistance here. We have an extended target down here for people who wanted to trade that bit further. The market actually did come down all the way down to those levels. You can just see I was pointing that out now. I'll just highlight that so you can see what I was talking about here. There was an extra trade there to actually take a little bit extra money as well. This was a live trade, as you can see, from 9th of May. It was the early doors morning trade that we did, and we're just fast forwarding this. You'll be able to see, although we got stopped out, lost 0.5%, we then, there you go, we then made our money back, and all was good. I hope you found that useful. Stop and reverse, it's a very useful tool, and sometimes you might not get all your money back, but you can get a good proportion of it back, or like we did just then, you can get all your money back and a little bit of profit. I hope that was useful for you. Just one of the techniques that we use in our live trading room. Thank you. Cheers and bye.